How to disconnect YouTube on TV. So from your main home screen, go to Apps. Then select on YouTube and open YouTube app. Now, once you come to YouTube, at the left-hand side, you'll see your account profile. Now from here, you'll see a gear icon. You can select on it and then you can press on Remove Account. So this is one of the methods you could disconnect YouTube on TV. Now another step you could do is that go back to main homepage. Then from here go to Apps and under Downloaded App, you'll see YouTube. Long press on it. Then you'll see the option of Delete. If you select on it, you will be able to disconnect YouTube on your TV. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.